Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this error. Remote rejected, error failed to push some refs to this particular location, and protected branch hook declined. How to resolve this? Guys, in order to resolve this, the branch which is protected for push, pull and all, it can be a main branch, it can be a master branch. Okay, so for that you cannot directly push to it. So the solution is you have to create a branch out of the main, add all the dependencies, add all the things which you have added or modified, try to push the new branch to the main branch or the master branch. Let us see that scenario how we can do it. Guys, as you can see on the screen, if you are in Visual Studio, this is the branch which I have created with the master. So first now I'll create my branch. So how to create a new branch? First you see what are the branches. For that guys, just type git branch, click on enter. You can see the branches which are available. Now the current branch which I have is master. In order to create a new branch guys, just create git branch, create -c for create, and you can give a branch name. So let me give a branch name as new branch. So you can give it as like this, and whenever you give on that, click on enter. So now you have created a new branch. Just type git branch. You will be seeing the master and a new branch. How do I switch from master to new branch? As you can see in the top bottom, still it is new branch master only. So how do I switch? To switch guys, we have to use git checkout, and you have to add your branch name. My branch name is new branch. Okay, click on enter. So I'll be switching to new branch. It will show okay, switch to new branch from origin master. So this is my new branch. Now I want to commit this file to my local branch. Okay, first we'll see git status. What does it show? Git status will show okay, in your branch we have few changes to be committed. For that guys, you just follow this git space add. You can add dot. If you are more than one file, if it is one file, you can add the file name. But for me, for now, I'll just use git add space dot. I'll click on enter. So now this file is committed in my local branch. Okay. So now how do I commit the file? So this is there in my local, but if you see, nothing will be there here also. So now branch is still master. We don't have any other branches. Okay. So now let me go back here. So after adding git dot add, so I have to commit my changes. How do I commit my changes? So I'll add the command git, I'll add space commit, I'll add -m, and I have to give my name. So added tutorials file. Okay. So I have added tutorials file. So once I click on enter, so it should add that new file. The new branch should be created. So now let us see the git status. So there is nothing to commit. I have to just push my changes. Okay. So now still if you go back here, if we reload it also, so still the branch is master only. So developers, what they do, they create the branches like this. They work on the branches. They commit their changes. It will be in their local branch. But now I have to push my changes. You can see here one is still there. Okay, I just have to write now git push. So once I get git push, guys, so it has to understand where it wants to push. So usually you can take this git push origin head, just add it here, just click on enter. So now your changes will be pushed. Okay, so now if you go on here, so if you reload here, see new branch has recent pushes, right? Now to reload also, you can see a branch here. So you can see the new branch. So new branch will have tutorials, and master will not have that. So you can also change it between. Okay, so if you want to change, just add git checkout master. So when you check out master, tutorials won't be there. Click on enter. So here it switches to master, but tutorials is not there. So you can again switch off to, instead of master, you can switch off to new branch. So now you'll be seeing the tutorials file. Okay. In the next video, you'll see how we can add a pull request, how we can do the changes. Okay. Till now, we have seen, first we have seen what branch we have. We had master, then we created a new branch, which is a new branch. Git branch minus C, any name you can give. Then we check out the branch. We had two branches, master and new branch. Then we had check out new branch so that we can work on a new branch. Then we added one file called tutorials. Then we checked the git status. Git status had the tutorials to be committed. Command git add space dot. Then we committed our changes. If you put git status here, you can see the status is pushed. Then we had git push, then we had an origin so that it will know where it should commit its changes. And at this point, we were able to see the new branch added here. Okay. The other video we'll see the commit, compare, and pull request. But for now, we will see here only. Then we added git push origin head. All our changes are pushed. We have checked out the master. Master doesn't have tutorials yet. So we have checked out the new branch is having tutorials, even the remote branch, even the local. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.